Carini Home Services, solving plumbing problems with precision. A dripping faucet or slow drain may seem small, but they add up. Hidden leaks can damage walls, floors, and your wallet. We offer full-service plumbing, from repairs to fixture upgrades. Using video inspection tools, we find the root of the issue. Our licensed plumbers fix the problem fast with lasting results. We respect your time, your space, and your budget. From repiping to water pressure adjustments, we do it all. Quality plumbing work begins with experience. Call Carini Home Services at 619-332-5176 to schedule trusted plumbing service.